Hey guys, Silvah's Techland here with a quick update before the video begins. I have now opened my own subreddit called r/Silvah's Techland, where you guys can come on in and ask a question if you need help or if you just want to be a part of the fan base. Thanks, and I hope to see you there. Hey guys, Silvah's Techland here, back with another tech tutorial. And in this tech tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can install mods for The Sims 4. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. The first step you're going to want to do is go to a website that actually has Sims 4 mods. Personally, the one I prefer the most is modthesims.info or .com or whatever. I'll leave a link in the description for that, but for now, what I'm going to show you how to do is how to get MC Command Center, since that's the main mod everyone likes to do to mess around with stuff. So anyways, to get MC Command Center, you can just type it in Google or go to this link right here, which is deaderpool-mcc.com. And once you're there, you want to click on MCC Downloads. And once you go ahead and do that, you'll be presented with this page. Now, this page may seem like a lot, but generally it's pretty that simple. If you want everything in there, like all the packages and whatnot, since this guy's actually nice enough to actually break apart some things, then go ahead and download where it says MC Command Center 8.00 or whatever the latest version is. However, if you want just a specific package like the Woohoo or like anything else, then go ahead and click on those links in there. But since 8.00 is the latest version and we want the whole thing, just click on this link right here. It'll open up a download link and it will download to your computer. Now all you want to do here is open it up, and you see all these files right here. Well, good, that means you downloaded it, which means now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and right click this. If you have WinRAR, you can do extract files here. If not, just create a new folder, because what this next step is we're going to extract files to a folder here. So that way we can keep track of all the files that came with the mod. Personally, you can name this mod anything. I just like it to be the same as the download folder, like what it says up here. So that way I'm able to easily keep track of it for updates or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, if you don't have like WinRAR, you can just go ahead and create a new folder and name it whatever you want. But now that we have that, what you're going to want to do is Control-C to copy it, or you can just drag it off to the side and move it to your next destination, which is the mods folder in The Sims. Now, how do you get here? Well, it's pretty simple. Go to Documents, find the folder labeled Electronic Arts, then click on The Sims 4, and then finally come over here to Mods. Now, if you don't have this folder up, it means that you haven't run The Sims 4, because I was doing this like a year ago and I was wondering where all my stuff was, and then I realized I reset my drive, which means I had to reopen The Sims 4. So if you don't find any of these folders at all, just make sure to run The Sims 4 and it should auto-create these folders. Otherwise, you can go ahead and try and create them yourself. However, I don't usually recommend it. Anyways, now that we have the mods folder open, all you want to do is click and drag or Control-V into this folder. Now, as you can see, I have the older version of, never mind, I just realized I deleted it, which means that we're now good. But yeah, if you have any older versions, make sure to go ahead and delete them, like I had 7.5 earlier, but of course they updated it. So of course, make sure you get rid of those old versions, otherwise you'll have conflicting problems in The Sims 4. So now that you've done that, you're almost done with that. There's just one more step you need to do, and I will see you guys once I open The Sims 4. Alright, here we are. We're now in The Sims 4, and so what you're going to want to go ahead and do here is click on the options, go to game options, go to other, and check enable custom content and mods. As you can see, if I disable it, or even if I enable it again, it says the game needs to be restarted for this change to take effect. So once you go ahead and do that, I would recommend go ahead and restart your game. That way you can get your mods enabled. Alright, I've now gone ahead and restarted my game, and as you can see right on the startup screen, there's all my mods right there. So as you can see, it worked perfectly fine, and if you want to add any more mods, this is the way you do it. Also, if you don't want to see this every time at startup, you can just click this down here to get rid of it. Personally, I like to keep it on to make sure things are working. But anyways, that'll be it for this tech tutorial, so thank you guys for watching. Remember to go ahead and like the video if this helped you out and you want others to also be helped out as well. And make sure to subscribe for more updates and tech tutorials, and also it just helps me out in general. Also, like I said earlier in the video, go ahead and join my Reddit community. I'm starting a fan base over there, or if you guys want any questions answered, I will try my best to answer them. But I'm going to create a whole community for that so I can help as many of you as possible. But if I'm not on there, then go ahead and leave a comment in the video below. I will also try my best to respond there, but hey, I'm also doing other stuff, so I'm not sure when I'll get back to you. But yeah, I will see all of you in the next tech tutorial I do. Bye-bye!